Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. From this story you will learn the importance of being kind to others. Let's get started. Jeetu and Jhilmil were walking back to home. They noticed elderly neighbor Mrs. Barnali struggling with her groceries. Without hesitation, they carried her bags and walked her home. Mrs. Barnali was grateful. She gave them a jar of her homemade strawberry jam as a thank you gift. During recess at school, Jeetu and Jhilmil saw Lily, a new girl who seemed lonely. They decided to be her friend. They promised to share their toys with her and invited her to join their games. Lily's face lit up with a big smile, and she felt welcomed and loved. As the school day ended, their teacher, Mrs. Debolina, called Jeetu and Jhilmil to her desk. She handed them a kindness award certificate, saying, "I've noticed your acts of kindness, and they've made our school a better place." Jeetu and Jhilmil were overjoyed but also humbled. They realized that acts of kindness weren't about rewards, they were about making others happy and spreading love. That brings us to the end of this story. You have learned? You have to be kind and help others when they need it. Your act of kindness will not go unnoticed. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.